This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hi guys, today I'm going to do a video about how to use any demo trading robots in real accounts for free using a trade copier. If you can do this correctly, you don't have to buy any trading robots anymore. You can use them in your real account for free. What this trade copier does is when you use a demo robot in your account, the trade copier takes those trades and sends them to the real account. So that means all the things happening in the demo trading account also happen in the real account at the same time. Even if the demo account robot moves the stop loss, the live account also moves the stop loss. If the demo robot deletes trades, the live account also deletes the trades. To do this, we need to download a zip file. I will put the link in the description. I have already downloaded the zip file. You should unzip the file. Here we have two EA files. One is local trade sender, and the other one is local trade receiver. I assume that you all know how to install trading robots. So I'm going to fast forward the installing part. If anyone doesn't know how to install trading robots, watch my previous video. Now you can see all the trades opened in the demo account also opened in the real account. If the demo account robot moves the stop loss, the live account also moves the stop loss. If the demo robot deletes trades, the live account also deletes the trades. Now the live account does the same as what the demo robot does. So guys, this is very simple. So guys, I think you all saw how powerful this software is. If you have any problem, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like the video and click the subscribe button to get new videos. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you.